Hey there, Kevin. I got your email with the pictures attached, um, and I just thought I'd go through the process for how these were drawn. So I think one of the curves you were talking about was this sloping curve right there. And so the way I started this, like if we go back to the beginning, I'll just kind of forward through, and this is the beauty of the rollback bar over here. First, I drew this part. And so the sketch looks like this. And then I revolved it. So I basically just drew this profile right here using the dimensions from the drawing. And then I revolved it around this guy here. So close that. And then you end up with that. Then I drew and extruded that one. Here's what the sketch looks like. So kind of like that. Down to this one. Did the hole in the top, the hole in the top, the through hole through the other ones. And I think this was the other one you're asking me about, which was the cut extrude on this. And so I basically selected this plane right here as the sketch plane. Then I drew this using the dimensions there that are given. So 1.5 to there, and then a continuous line to the corner, and another continuous line to the corner there, and then just a cut right through that portion. And that gets you your angled part of that. The next part was the cut through here, and then a fillet on these corners here. These corners. Okay, so that's the tower piece, and so you can kind of adapt any of the things that I did to your drawing. I'm not sure exactly how you got to where you are, but even redrawing that all over again shouldn't be, too big of an ordeal. And then I also have this guy here. So I started out, this is the toy piece that you were, that was the next part of that assignment. So I started out with a basic disc based off the dimensions. So basically a 5.5-inch disc. And then I shelled that. So you shell out the bottom using the shell command, which is right there. Shell command, you just select that top face, tell it what thickness you want, and then you're good to go. Then I drew this part. Here's what my sketch looks like. So I noticed on yours you had some material thickness down here along the bottom, which shouldn't be there. So it should be just the disc on top there. And you can just cut that away if you wanted to. If it's easier, you could just draw. If you had to remove material, you could just draw a rectangle, basically, like. If you had material, you could just draw a rectangle like that, and then extrude cut that material away as well. If that was easier, that's fine. And then, I based all this off the dimensions that were given in the drawing, and then extruded it. And it's a mid-plane extrusion, so it goes evenly on both sides. I can actually show you that real quick. So, edit the feature. You select mid-plane, and then 2 inches will get you the distance that you need it to be. These are the circles on top, or the shapes on top, rather. Let's just go here. Okay. So these are, there's some relationships. So there's some horizontal relationships between the center point, the origin, and this center point. So horizontal relationship, then sizes of those, and then a dimension from origin over to the center point, and then from the center point over to this center point. That gets you a fully defined sketch. And then you could just cut through. You wouldn't go through all. If you hit through all, it's going to go all the way through this one too. You don't want that. So it's just a cut through to the next surface, or as much as you need it to go. And finally, there's a cut through, a through all cut, basically, from the top. So we'll edit that sketch. So we just started that on the origin, and again, that's just this guy, polygon. Draw out your polygon, dimension 0.75 on the line. Then you want to make one of these horizontal. So got a horizontal relationship, so this is horizontal. And then you just do a through all cut, and it cuts right through your whole part. And then you're good. And don't forget to change this material to 1060 alloy. That should take care of everything you need to do. So let me know if this helps or you need any more help, and I can keep answering questions. All right, good luck.